everybody, this is CR number 13, helper video number 3. This should look very familiar to you because it's just variables on both sides. I'm going to start by solving for x by taking the number on the outside of my parentheses and distributing it to each number on the inside. If I take 1/2 times 2x, it really just means what is half of 2x? Well, half of 2 is 1. So taking 1/2 and multiplying by 2x is actually thinking, what is half of that number? So half of 2x is 1x. I'm going to go ahead and write it down here. Positive times a negative is a negative. And then half of 4 is 2. So that is how I'm going to simplify those parentheses on the left side. I'm going to go ahead and bring down the right side. Now I know that all my variables, let me change colors here, all my variables need to be on the left side and all my constants need to be on the right side. So to get all my variables on the left, I'm going to go ahead and draw my ladder. I'm going to move these 4x's by subtracting them because the opposite of a positive 4x is a negative 4x. 4x minus 4x is 0. I'm left with 1 on this side. I bring down my other terms. 1x minus 4x. Now I have more negatives than positives, so my answer has to be negative. And how many more negatives do I have than positives? Well, I have 3 more negatives. So now I'm going to go ahead and get x by itself. And the way I'm going to do that is I have to first see if anything's being added or subtracted from the variable. And there's a subtraction here of 2. I'm going to do the opposite, which is adding 2, to zero that out. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. These zero out. I'm left with negative 3x on this side. And that equals 1 plus 2, which is 3. I know that these are attached by multiplication, the negative 3 and the x. I undo multiplication with division. I always divide by the coefficient in front of the x, which is a negative 3. I get x on the left side, and a positive divided by a negative is a negative, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So there's your answer. Good luck.